back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Amanda, and today is day 2 of my NYX 24 Days of Beauty countdown. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm going to give you guys a little overview of what the NYX 24 Days of Beauty countdown is. So last year I started a series on my channel. NYX has started to come out with a advent calendar, including a bunch of beauty products. Last year it was all lipsticks, so I had the NYX Lippy Countdown. This year it is NYX 24 Days of Beauty. So there's a bunch of different types of beauty products. It's not just lipsticks this year. So last year I did a makeup look to go along with the lipstick every day. And this year I am doing the same thing using the product and incorporating it into a makeup look for you guys. So if you guys are new to my channel and you want to subscribe, I will be posting a vlog every day for Vlogmas along with a video every day with a makeup look for the NYX 24 Days of Beauty. As you can see, my face makeup is already done. For this countdown, I don't do my face makeup every day. If you guys want to check out my face makeup, you can click the link up here so you can go and check it out. I did it on the first day to kind of show you guys how I do it. I'm going to be doing the same face makeup every single day, so I figured it'd be a little bit repetitive if I did it in every single video. I am also doing a bunch of giveaways on my Instagram right now, so head on over and follow me at AmandaLouiseYT and check out my giveaways. And without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. So we're going to go ahead and open up day 2. Today we have this soft metallic lip cream, and it's in the color Nantes, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So I just went ahead and swatched it on my hand for you guys. As you can see, it has a gold undertone. It's a really pretty pink color. So for today's look, we're gonna do a pink and goldish look. To finish off my face look so it goes along with the lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead in first with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. I feel like this has the same kind of gold undertones as the lip color does. I'm also just going to go back in with a little bit more blush to add some pink back in. For this look, I think I want to do a brighter pink eye look. The pink lipstick is a little bit more of a muted pink, so I feel like I really want to go bold with the eye, maybe do like a goldish halo eye, and then top it off with the lipstick. So we're going to go ahead and just get started. Today I'm using my Morphe x James Charles palette. This palette is so beautiful, such a sister, love it. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have some fun today. I'm gonna be going in first with my JH37 brush, my Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna start with Canvas in my crease. This is a nice nude transition color. I'm kind of putting this all over my eye to kind of create a canvas. This is about to sister scare me, but I'm gonna go in with this color next. Might be really pigmented, might be really regretting this, but let's go for it. I'm gonna go ahead into Pinkity Drinkity and put that in my crease as well. All right, we're okay. We are okay. So instead of just putting this color in my crease, I ended up putting it kind of all over my lid because I wasn't sure how pigmented it was going to be. Now I'm going to go ahead in with Skip. As I said earlier, I think I'm going to be doing kind of like a halo eye. So I'm going to start this in my outer corner, kind of put it up into my crease a little bit, and then I'm going to do my inner corner. So I'm going to be a little bit annoying, and I don't like doing this, but I'm going to be using another palette along with this. I really wanted to try to use just this palette, but I want it to be a little less neon pink. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to go in with Love Letter. I'm going to be bringing this right where I just put this hot pink. I'm going to go in with my Sigma Buff and Blend brush so I can just blend out all of the harsh lines. So as you can see, I intentionally left a center space in my eyelids. It's not perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect because I'm going to be going in with like glitter and concealer. So keep that in mind. I'm kind of wanting to bring a little bit of darker into the outer corner here, maybe into the inner a little bit. I'm going to go ahead in with Love That. I'm going to take this on my JH40 brush and just really concentrate it in my outer and inner corner. Now I'm going to be going in with my JH41 brush. I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer, put it here. Now I'm just going to dip a little bit into this to get a little bit on here. And I am just going to go in to the very center of my eye. So I usually do about this much on my lid. All personal preference, really. So now that this is on here like this, it does not have to be perfect as long as you have it in the spot that you want it. For this next part, you can either use eyeshadow or loose glitter. I am going to be using eyeshadow today. I'm going to be going in with Hello, and I'm going to be taking it on my JH33 brush. So now that the glitter is on, I am going to go back in. I'm going to go back in with my JH40 brush. And just kind of use it to blend. I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just put a little bit in my inner corner. Then I'm just adding some of the Hello into the inner corner. I'm also going to be going in with this product by Thrive Cosmetics, the Brilliant Eye Brightener, and I'm just going to line my waterline with it. This eye look definitely needs a bold lash, so I'm going to go ahead and put some on. I'm going to go ahead in with my D30 lashes by Arison Lashes. I think I'm going to bring just a tiny bit of his spooky black color underneath my lash line as well. So I just went in with a little bit of spooky underneath my bottom lash line, the black color in the James Charles palette. So now that the eye look is complete, we are going to go in with the lipstick. So this is going to be it for my NYX 24 Days of Beauty Day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can join my lovely little family. I have a bunch of giveaways going on my Instagram right now, and more will be coming, so be sure to go and follow me at Amanda Louise YT. I love you guys endlessly, and until the next video, don't forget to live lovely. Bye!